Hello guys, I am Ebedhaisen from class 4E, English Education University Masaraswati. So now I will make a video tutorial about photo frame from newspaper and cardboard. Okay, the first, please prepare the material. The material is we are have newspaper and then we are have the cardboard. And then we have the sketcher, and then we have the glue, and the last stick to roll and the newspaper. Okay. After the material has been prepared, we continue the way of manufacture. Okay, guys, we can roll the newspaper using a stick. Okay, for the example, like this, guys. Glue at the end of the newspaper. For the example, so like this, guys. For photo frame making, we can use 16 or 20 roll. For the example, like this, guys. After that, we combine the curls into on by using glue. For the example, so like this, guys. So after that, guys, let's stand a few minutes for the glue to be realistic. Okay. So example. Now we cut the cardboard. For example. Like this, guys. Now we cut the cardboard. Then we stick the glue on this piece of cardboard. So, for example, now we pasted the cardboard pieces. For the example, this is like this, guys. Now we cut the squares. We cut the squares. For the example, like this. Now we attach the frame roller. Okay, guys, finally is the result. Now we put it on the wall. Okay, guys, finally this is the project. If you have an empty day, please do this activity same. Okay, guys, this is my project. Okay, thank you so much for your watching. I'm Ebedhaisen. If you like this my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to your friends. Okay, thank you so much.